welcome back to my channel. And today's video is on installation juiceshop. So installation in Kali Linux. Okay, just this was the Kali Linux portal. Here was the packages and binary section and juiceshop. The packages contains modern and sophisticated in secure web application. It can be used on security trainings and awareness demos, CTF, and etc. Okay, so here is the command, and here is the starting juiceshop and stop the juiceshop on this your terminal. Okay, so installation size was 430 MB. Okay, so we are dive into the our Linux, Kali Linux. Okay, so here it is my Kali Linux. Open the terminal and sudo command clear this. And first of all, command was the apt install juicy dash shop and press enter. Okay, here was the Y, and juicy shop was download. Okay, 99% and 100. Okay, so here is the complete the process of install juicy shop. Let's run it with a command of juicy dash shop and place it here dash h and attach with it. Okay, so here was the server was started. This shop is running on the your local host. Okay, so click it here and open link. Okay, take some time to opening a browser. Dismiss this. We want it. Okay, here was the our juicy shop, and here was the customer feedback and about us photo wall. All are available, and this is run in our local host server. And save it. And how can you stop this service with the using of dash st stop this service? Enter. Okay, here was the GC soap was disabled. Okay,